Welcome back. Chapter 1 revision. What is science? You can score a 10 by 10 in FA1, SA1, SA2 also by this revision. So listen properly. After completion of class, you are required to listen and suggest to listen once again the class since topics are most important as it is the basic class for you. 8th class. Biology starts from this chapter only. So it is important. Let us begin here with the word science comes from the Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. Understood? Here you need to remember this scientia, science is a word has come from a Latin language like Telugu language, Hindi language, Tamil language, Assamese language, Gujarati language, Marathi language, Sanskrit language. So these are all these languages of Latin. So scientia word has come. Word has come from a Latin language word scientia. That means knowledge, to acquire knowledge. And science is the concerted human effort. That means humans has been made one after the other effort, so that science has made to understand better in the history of the natural world and how the natural world works. So if we know the science, we will understand what is going on our surroundings, and we need to observe the physical evidence as the basis of that understanding. For example, if someone asks you whether matchstick burns, means yes, we can say. Why? Because we have physical evidence there. Matchstick, when you just rub on the box, then it will burn. So we have physical evidence. So science always believes in evidences only. Is it done through observation of, it is done through observation of natural phenomena and or through experimentation. That means naturally we can observe or with experiments also. So that only in science labs and biology labs, experiments plays important role, and that will try to simulate natural processes under controlled conditions. Science is a process of thinking always. So natural processes we will try to understand and under controlled conditions. And science is a process of thinking always. Without thinking, science cannot be learned. And here, if we observe scientists, the nature scientists will observe the nature and its laws. They discover the secrets of nature. Based on these discoveries and inventions, different innovations takes place. Scientists follow a scientific, a specific way for their innovations. The way that they follow is called scientific method. Usually scientists will follow scientific method only, and they will discover new things. If microscope want to discover, scientists will follow a scientific method. What does scientific method will make? Here we can understand how scientists will work. Scientific method: planning and investigation. In these 5 steps we have, first one we will observe. For example, if your mother asked you to bring chocolates from a shop, yes, you will observe and you ask your mother, mother, which shop I need to go and what type of chocolates I need to bring. Then your mother will say this shop and this type of chocolate. Then you will come to an hypothesis. That means you will come with a good message. Yes, I have now idea of bringing chocolates and in the correct shop. Then you will plan for going there. That means you are planning to conduct that experiment. You will take the chappals and you will start way, and then you will go to the shop and you will conduct the experiment. Conducting here the experiments not in the shop, but your mother said to bring the chocolates from that shop. So you are bringing that chocolate. That will help here to understand conducting the experiment. After that, you will draw conclusions and communicate the results. Yes, you will just bring the chocolates to your home and you will give to your mother and you will communicate with your mother. Mother, you said to bring the chocolate from this shop and I brought the chocolates. So a best example to understand you I have taken like that. But if your father asked you to prepare a Maggie. Understood? Maggie, you know, no? Maggie. So first you will say, for the you will observe the questions. In this scientific method we will observe. First one, you will ask your father, observing and asking questions, that which how much I need to prepare for how many members. Then your father will say, prepare for 4 members for our family. And then uh, suggestible suggestions will be given. Then you will be getting a message from, you will form an hypothesis. Yes, I have an idea with now Maggie need to prepare for 4 members in the family. Then you will plan the and you will plan the experiment. That means you will purchase that from the shop and you will bring to the home. Then you will conduct the experiment. That means you are preparing in the kitchen room. And after that, preparation is completed, then you will ask your father to eat. So that is what drawing conclusions and communicating the results. This if you play for every thing, whatever you do daily steps, if you follow these 5 steps, then you are following scientific method. If you are following the scientific method, you are called a scientist. And if you are a scientist, then scientists will work in the same manner. And if you see, processing skills are two types are there. First one, processing skills are of 4 types are the first one here: observe, compare, classify. So observing means here, for example, if some chocolates have been fallen down, different types of chocolates have been fallen down, you will observe first, and then you will compare which chocolates having same color, which chocolates having same size, you will compare. After that you will classify that, then you'll put aside. This is one type of processing skills. The next processing skills here, 4 types are there. First, measuring the data, gathering the data, recording the data and displaying the data, and last, interpreting the data. These are the 5 steps. These all you need not to learn. Why? Because steps only government paper will be asked. Measuring, gathering, recording, displaying and interpreting the data, you are supposed to listen again and again. And processing skills, third step, it is using a model, predicting that and inferring that. That means, for example, if you want to do any other project work, you will use a model, and you will have an idea to predict that, and after that you will draw that chart, and you will understand what you are making. So these 3 steps are important: use a model, predict and infer. And last processing skill, fourth one, hypothesis, planning and conducting experiment and controlling variables. For example, if your father asked to switch on candles of 10, then you will understand, okay, 10 candles I need to bring, and you will plan and conduct the experiment, and you will control the variables. So while you are controlling the variables, what is the thing? Air you need to maintain. So that means candlelight will be disturbed by air only. So that is the controllable variable here. Then after that we have some writing to communicate any paragraph. If you are reading, these 4 steps you need to follow. You need to measuring, you need to use numbers, you need to interpret the data, and using some number sense. Any matter, if you are writing, means you are supposed to use these 4 steps: measuring, using numbers, interpreting data, using number sense. In any answer you need to write these 4 steps before writing. This is one step. That means in exam how the question will be asked means how the writing will be followed to communicate. By 4 process you need to write: measuring, using numbers, interpreting data, using number sense. Next we will be having safety in science. In safety in science laboratory, we will need to follow safety. Think ahead, what is going to the next step, we need to think always. That means after entering into the science lab, we need to follow some steps. That steps will help us to make our experiment successful. After that we will be having be aware. Why? Because we will be having disturbing things. That means keep your work area clean. If you have a long hair, means pull it back so that it does not disturb our experiment. Roll or push long sleeves will be there, shirts, like that, keep away from our experiment, otherwise it will disturb. Oops, if you want to throw or break or cut something from your teacher, that means if you are able to throw or anything, then first you need to ask permission from the teacher. Watch your eyes. As we are doing with very dangerous experiments, we need to use safety glasses if necessary, or otherwise we need to take care of our eyes. And we must not taste or smell any kind of requirement while doing our activity. And we need to protect us from shocks. Electricity will be there in our laboratory. We need to follow some rules in order to maintain us from avoiding electric shocks. And next, last one, it is keep it clean. Always after completing of our experiment, we need to maintain clean of our science laboratory. After that we will be having some sequential steps in discovering things. First, anything, if you entered into your home, bulb is not glowing, you switched on the bulb but the light is not switching on. So what you need to do, first you need to identify where is the problem. After that you need to come to a conclusion. That means making hypothesis. Then you need to collect the information. Yes, yeah, everything it is switching on, fan and again refrigerator and a TV, but only light is it is not switching on. That means you will come to the analysis. After that you will experiment and you will result it. That means light only having fault. So this is the way to find out solutions for every problem which we find at our home in a scientific way.